Brian David Delay Star, StarQuest Channel. These people are looking for a miracle. We're all looking for a miracle. Hey guys, what's going on? We're not allowed to say? Love the mask though. Who's this? Who's that there? I'm loving it. Huh? It's for a TV show? Oh, cool. What is it? Miracle Day?
On Stars.
Huh?
On Stars.
On Stars?
Network. Stars.
Stars Network. New Stars Network. New show. Miracle Day. Coming, guys. I'm loving it. Here we are. Money Making Manhattan once again. Alright. Excuse me. Thank you very much. And this? There you go. Torchwood. There you go, guys. Miracle Day. Make a miracle happen, guys. We all need one. That's for sure. Once again, your host, Brian David Delay Star from the StarQuest Channel here in Manhattan.